Hey there, fellow travelers, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about something near and dear to my heart. Crafting the perfect travel itinerary. Whether you're dreaming of wandering through ancient ruins or soaking up the sun on a pristine beach, a well-planned itinerary is your ticket to a stress-free and unforgettable adventure. You see, a little planning goes a long way. It's about maximizing your precious vacation time and ensuring you experience the very best of what your destination has to offer. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of research, scheduling, and smart packing, all while leaving room for spontaneity and those serendipitous moments that make travel so magical. So, grab your travel journal and let's get started. Before you even think about packing your bags, we need to lay the groundwork with some good old-fashioned research. This is the foundation of any great trip, and it can make the difference between a good vacation and an unforgettable adventure. Start by diving into the wealth of information available at your fingertips. The internet is a treasure trove of travel guides, blogs, and forums where seasoned travelers share their experiences and tips. Now, I'm not talking about just skimming a few travel blogs. Really immerse yourself in the content. Watch travel vlogs to get a visual sense of the place, read detailed articles, and even join travel forums to ask questions and get advice from people who have been there. This will give you a well-rounded understanding of what to expect. I want you to really dig deep into your destination. Think of it like this. You wouldn't show up at a friend's house for dinner without knowing their dietary restrictions, right? Similarly, you wouldn't want to arrive at a new place without knowing the basics. Research the history, culture, and social norms of your destination. This will not only enrich your experience, but also show respect to the locals. The same goes for traveling. Understanding local customs, traditions, and even a few basic phrases can make all the difference in connecting with the local culture. Learn how to greet people, say thank you, and ask for help in the local language. These small efforts can lead to more meaningful interactions and a deeper appreciation of the place you're visiting. Next up, weather. Is it the rainy season? Are you going to be battling scorching heat or bundling up in layers? Knowing the climate of your destination is crucial for planning your activities and packing the right clothes. Check the weather forecast regularly as your trip approaches and be prepared for sudden changes. Knowing what to expect will help you pack appropriately and avoid any unpleasant surprises. Make a checklist of essential items based on the weather conditions. This way, you'll be ready for anything, whether it's a sunny beach day or a rainy city tour. Don't forget to pack versatile clothing that can be layered and mixed and matched. Now, for the fun part, identifying those must-see spots. What are the iconic landmarks, the hidden gems, the off-the-beaten-path treasures that make your destination unique? Create a list of places you absolutely don't want to miss. Look for recommendations from locals and fellow travelers to discover spots that might not be in the guidebooks. Make a list, prioritize, and start mapping out your adventure. Plan your days to include a mix of popular attractions and lesser-known sites. This will give you a balanced experience and allow you to see the destination from different perspectives. Be flexible with your itinerary to accommodate spontaneous adventures and unexpected discoveries. And don't forget to check for any special events or festivals happening during your trip. Those can add a whole other layer of excitement and cultural immersion. Participating in local celebrations can provide unique insights into the culture and traditions of the place. So mark those dates on your calendar and get ready to join in the festivities. Alright, now that you've got a solid foundation of research, let's talk about scheduling. Planning is essential, but it's equally important to strike a balance between structure and freedom. And here's the thing, while it's tempting to plan every minute of your trip, I urge you to embrace a little flexibility. Overplanning can sometimes lead to stress and disappointment when things don't go exactly as planned. Think of your itinerary as a loose framework, a guide rather than a rigid timetable. This approach allows you to adapt to new opportunities and experiences that you might not have anticipated. Leave room for spontaneity, for those unexpected detours and chance encounters that often lead to the most memorable travel experiences. Sometimes the best moments are the ones that aren't planned at all. Maybe you stumble upon a charming cafe and decide to linger over coffee and pastries. These unplanned stops can offer a deeper connection to the local culture and a chance to relax and soak in the atmosphere. Or perhaps you meet a local who invites you to experience their city like a true insider. These interactions can provide insights and experiences that no guidebook can offer. These are the moments that make travel so special, so don't be afraid to deviate from the plan. Embrace the unexpected and let your journey take its own course. Now, I'm not saying you should throw caution to the wind and wing it entirely. A certain level of planning is necessary to ensure you make the most of your trip and stay safe. But building in some buffer time between activities allows you to savor each experience without feeling rushed. This downtime can be just as enriching as the planned activities, giving you a chance to reflect and recharge. Remember, travel is about embracing the unknown, about saying yes to adventure, and letting the journey unfold organically. It's about the balance between planning and spontaneity, structure, and freedom. So, as you plan your next adventure, keep in mind the art of letting go and allow yourself to be open to the magic of the unexpected. Chapter 3. Prioritizing, making every moment count. Now let's talk about prioritizing. Unless you have unlimited time, you likely won't be able to see and do everything on your list. And that's okay. The key is to identify your non-negotiables, those attractions or activities that are at the very top of your travel bucket list. Maybe it's finally laying eyes on the Eiffel Tower, hiking to a breathtaking viewpoint, or indulging in a cooking class with a local chef. Whatever it is, circle those must-dos on your itinerary and build your schedule around them. For everything else, be honest with yourself about your interests and energy levels. If you're not a museum buff, don't feel obligated to spend hours wandering through endless galleries. And if you're someone who needs a slower pace, don't try to cram too much into a single day. Remember, this is your trip, and the goal is to create an experience that aligns with your passions and priorities. Chapter 4. Booking in advance. Securing your spot. Alright, let's talk logistics. When it comes to accommodations and transportation, a little planning goes a long way, especially during peak season or for popular destinations. Booking your flights and accommodations in advance not only gives you peace of mind, but often saves you money. Plus, it allows you to secure your preferred dates and times, ensuring a smoother travel experience overall. The same goes for transportation within your destination. Whether it's train tickets, rental cars, or guided tours, reserving in advance eliminates the stress of last-minute scrambling and potential disappointments. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but Rick, I like to keep my options open, and I get it, but trust me, the peace of mind that comes with knowing your travel arrangements are taken care of is priceless. Plus, many airlines and booking platforms offer flexible cancellation policies these days, so you can still adjust your plans if needed. Chapter 5. Packing Light. The Art of Traveling Smart. Packing. The eternal struggle of every traveler. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time adventurer, packing can often feel like a daunting task. The key is to find a balance between bringing what you need and not overloading yourself with unnecessary items. But fear not, my friends, because I'm here to share some tried-and-true tips for packing light without sacrificing those essential comforts. Imagine breezing through airports, effortlessly lifting your bag into overhead compartments, and having everything you need right at your fingertips. First things first, choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. This way you can maximize your wardrobe options without having to pack your entire closet. Think neutral colors, layers, and a few statement pieces to add some personality. Next, roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes not only saves space but also helps prevent wrinkles, making it easier to keep your clothes looking fresh and ready to wear. Rolling your clothes not only saves space but also helps prevent wrinkles. This technique is especially useful for delicate fabrics that are prone to creasing. And don't forget to utilize those nooks and crannies by stuffing socks and underwear inside shoes. This not only saves space but also helps maintain the shape of your shoes. Now let's talk toiletries. Decant your favorite products into travel-sized containers or, better yet, embrace the liberating experience of traveling with only the essentials. Remember, less is more when it comes to toiletries. Most hotels and accommodations provide basic toiletries, so you can lighten your load considerably. Take advantage of these amenities to save space in your luggage. And here's a bonus tip. Pack a small, reusable shopping bag. This versatile item can be a lifesaver during your travels. It's perfect for carrying souvenirs, groceries, or even dirty laundry on your way back. Plus, it's an eco-friendly option that helps reduce plastic waste. So next time you pack for a trip, remember these tips and travel smart. Outro, bon voyage, and happy travels. Well, folks, there you have it. My guide to mastering your travel itinerary. I hope these tips and tricks inspire you to plan your next adventure with confidence and excitement. If you found this video helpful, Please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. From the bottom of my traveler's heart, thank you for watching. Now get out there, explore our amazing world, and remember, the greatest souvenirs are the memories we make along the way. Happy travels!